From the silence of the deep, we have listened. We have felt the currents change, the waters whisper of ages past. We are the memory of the ocean.
This is Ideal Motivation.
Dressed in the night, a flash of white moves through the darkness.
In the cold, endless oceans, where the horizon swallows the sun and storms carve the face of the sea, moves a legend born of tide and shadow. Silent, strategic, unshaken. The Orca. Not just the apex of the sea, but a master of intelligence, discipline, and unity. It does not rule through chaos. It rules through wisdom, through patience, precision, and purpose. In a world where strength fades and speed can fail, the Orca reminds us that true power comes from the mind, the heart, and the unbreakable spirit within.
So listen closely to the ocean's greatest teacher, and let the wisdom of the Orca guide you through the deep waters of your own life. Number 1, strategic intelligence. Orcas are not born powerful. They are trained. Every skill, every technique, every hunt is learned with patience and repetition. And so are the victories in your life. You rise not because you are perfect, but because you practice your craft until excellence becomes natural. Number 2, unity. An orca never swims alone. Their power comes from their pod, a family built on loyalty and trust. Remember this: your success becomes unstoppable when you walk with the right people. Choose those who lift you, strengthen you, and push you to grow. Number 3, strategy. Orcas don't chase blindly. They plan, they observe, they strike with precision. Let your dreams be the same, not just driven by passion, but guided by purpose, preparation, and direction. Number 4, patience. An orca can wait and wait and wait, not because it is weak, but because it knows timing is everything. Your moment will come. Stay patient, stay sharp, stay ready. Number 5, adaptability. Orcas survive in almost every ocean on Earth. From icy Arctic waters to warm tropical seas, orcas thrive anywhere. They evolve, adjust, and endure. Life will change on you, so learn to change with it. Adaptation is not surrender, it is superiority. Number 6, leadership. Orcas follow strong leaders, not the loudest, but the wisest. Become the type of person others trust, not because you command power, but because you walk with integrity, courage, and calm direction. Number 7, fearless dominance. At the top of the food chain, the orca fears nothing in the ocean, not because the world is gentle, but because it knows what it is capable of. Stand in your strength, own your abilities, move with the quiet confidence of something that refuses to be prey. The orca teaches us this truth. Power is not given, it is built, it is earned, and it lives inside those who choose to rise with discipline, unity, focus, patience, adaptability, leadership, and unshakable courage. Be like the orca, unstoppable, strategic, fearless, and destined to conquer every deep water of your life. Thanks for watching this video. Share and subscribe for more amazing inspiration.